Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to your YouTube channel. Yes, my name is Temi and you're welcome to Temi Space. So today, without saying much, I just want to show you guys how I assemble my ring light, because I know a lot of people will like to how to assemble it or what it looks like and every other thing. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I assembled mine, so maybe you can learn one or two things from it, because I learned from setting this ring light. Okay, because this is my first time, so I just want to show you guys. So let's fix it together. So guys, our order is here. Our ring light is actually a 10 inches ring light, so you can join me in the video to see how to fix it. Okay, so let's open our order. We have this, which is the tripod stand. Okay, we also have this, which is the ring light itself. Okay, you can see this is what we have. Okay, this is what we have: a 26 centimeter, a 10 inches. Okay, so this is what we have. And also you are going to be needing this, which is the adapter. Okay, so I'm going to show you where to use this. That's the final stage of the settings. Okay, so we are bringing out our tripod stand first, which is this. This is what our tripod looks like. So I'm going to be opening it this way. Now there is a screw, something you can open somewhere here. So you can just open it and bring this out. So you're gonna bring this out. It's gonna come out. So after bringing it out, you can just screw it back to make it stay in one place. So there's another screw down. The screw is 2 actually. So when you open the tripod stand, you're gonna see the screw is 2 of this. So the second one has its function as well. I think there's another stand down. Okay, so it will make it to enable this to for the stand extension. It has another extension down, so it will actually make it longer, more longer, you understand. So this is it. Is actually going longer like this. This is what I have, like this. Okay, maybe I should move back a little, but for you guys to see, this is what I have. It actually make it more longer. Can you guys see? Yeah, I can't go backward. I can't go back too much because I'm having my microphone on. So because of the microphone is connected with the phone I'm recording with, so I can't go too backward. But definitely, I think you guys can see from this. This is actually what we have. It's kind of longer. I'm sure you guys can see the length at which is. Can you guys see how long it is actually? So this is what I have. Okay, so it's adjustable, so you can actually adjust it to the length you want. So I will actually open the screw and adjust down the front stand. I'm actually adjusting it down. So then I screw back. Okay, I think the down stand is going down, so I will screw it back. It's like it's not screwed or something. Okay, so this is done. So now we move to the ring light itself. So this is what we have. This is the ring light itself. This is what we have. Okay, and also we have other things in it. We have this, we have this, this, and this. So we're gonna put this, fix this on here. So it's actually tight now. So now we move to the next one, which is the ring light itself. There is a hole down here, so we put it up. So it's actually tight now. So now we're gonna be putting this. So we're gonna be having this. We put this. So, and this, we're gonna have something like this for the phone holder. So after fixing this, we put this. I actually adjust down the tripod so that you guys can see properly. So this is what I'm actually doing. So we are going to screw. Okay, it's tight now. So this one is adjustable. You can actually adjust this. This is where the phone is going to, the phone hanger actually. So it's adjustable. You can adjust it to any direction you want, to the left, to the right, to the front, to the back. So this is what this does. Okay, so now we'll move quickly to the lightning. Okay, I don't know if I told you guys about a particular button somewhere. This is there, like a 4-button, like a remote control. It has a 4 buttons. So one is for the power and the other one for the colors and the contrast actually. So it has a 3-color lightning. So it depends on the color you have. So you can actually adjust it from here. So let's put that into test. So yeah, Now before I forget, so I told you guys about this adapter. So this is what it does. You can actually use the one for your the one you're using to charge your phone and all that. So this is what it does. So this is the one that comes with the ring light. So you just get yourself any adapter, so you put it and plug it. So I'm actually on the control now. Is on. Can you guys see? So this is the second one. This is the other color, and this is the other one. So that is it. So this is what we have. Can you guys see what we have? This is what we have now. So you can change the color from here. This is the other one. This is the other one, and this is it. So that's the three colors it has. So this is actually how to insert your phone, okay, to hang your phone when the tripod is on. So this is the phone. So this has an adjuster. So you only adjust it, and here the phone is hanging. I see the phone is hanging, so you can actually adjust it anyhow you want it, whichever way you want it to stand. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is actually how it's going to be. So you can adjust it if you want the phone to stand this way or this way. So that is it, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Here we come to the end of this video. So you can make sure you subscribe and like this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like and also drop your comments. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.